is like my second time really racing on a river. Before was Vail at the GoPro Mountain Games, but you know, this is the hardest racing I've done on the river so far.
Yeah. What makes racing on a river different from the ocean?
Well, the difference is that the dynamics of how the water's moving is totally opposite. When you're on the ocean, you read things differently, and so coming here, it's hard to. You have to be really good at adapting to the conditions, because reality is it's totally different than what you might have thought it was. Oh, it was a good race, you know, it's just the semifinals. Tomorrow's the final race, and it's just all about pushing yourself as hard as you can, and I mean, this last one was really good. I mean, it's gonna get harder and harder, so it's gonna be awesome.
The river is definitely humbling, being from the ocean. The water is constantly moving. In the ocean, even though we surf big waves, we have these things called lulls, where it goes flat and it's calm for a little while. So it's definitely humbling being out here. I have a lot of respect for the river people who are just out here all the time and know what they're doing and trying to pick their brains as much as I can to soak up as much as I can. I think typically a lot of the ocean paddlers maybe are faster paddlers. Not all of them, but just because we do a lot of flat water races as well, a lot of races where it's over a distance. So you have guys that maybe have a little bit more speed, but then you have river guys that have a little bit more technique. So it makes it really, really interesting. Lots of pile-ups, and you know, everybody's just trying to learn as fast as they can, and it's pretty neat to see some of my fellow ocean athletes come and try something different out of their comfort zone. It's pretty awesome.
Well, obviously you're seeing a lot of kayakers doing the stand-up boarding or the sup cross and the downriver, all the sup events, and in the whitewater, obviously the kayakers know how to ferry and peel out and stuff like that. The ocean stand-up guys, not so much, but they're learning fast. Their general skill sets are definitely better than the whitewater guys until you get to the whitewater, and then the whitewater guys are better, but they tend to be faster. Really know how to move the board really well. So anyway, it's interesting. I think we'll see. In the whitewater side, the kayaker guys will do really well, but clearly we're not competitive in the flat water. At least I'm not. Dane was on a faster board today. We'll see. He was 8th yesterday. Maybe he is in the game with the fast guys. Andrew Holcomb looked good. Kayakers are doing good, I think, but ultimately we need to spend more time on a board if we're going to be real good.